up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got this 1977 Chevy Corvette 4-speed manual up for sale today. We're going to do a full review on the car, show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know what you get before you get it. Before we get started, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see new classic cars every week. Subscribe right now, please. That's the best way to see our inventory. We get calls all the time. I want to see your inventory. Subscribe. All right, guys, let's get started. 77 Corvette. Like I said, 4-speed manual. 350. This one doesn't have many flaws. A few. We'll start and get to the most obvious. Start with the front. Front bumper has a little love. Right there, and right there. That needs to be addressed. Front of the car is clean. The hood, no chips, no scratches. A little scratch right there. It's got Goodyear Eagle tires on it. Plenty of tread left. A little scratch right there. A little one right there. But this paint is nice. A lot of these C3, the paint is beat on them. This one is not. It's a beautiful yellow color. Kind of looks cream in the sunlight. It has the T-tops. These are removable. They come off. A little scratch right there, or chip, I should say. I love the pinstriping. The pinstriping on this is beautiful. I think it highlights the car and makes it look awesome. Little scratch right there, or chip. Got a little anchor there. This was elderly owned. It was one of my clients. He was from South Jersey, and he just got tired of driving manual. Then did not have good knees at his age, so he sold it to us. It's got nice wheels on it. Again, tires are full life. Chip there. But overall, it's a solid looking car. The paint does not look bad at all. A lot of times I say it's driver quality paint. This is above driver quality paint. If you fixed a couple scratches in the front, you have a really nice car. I would not repaint the car whatsoever because it's in good shape. A lot of times I'll say on a Corvette, no rot, no rust. And people in the comments, they grill me saying, hey, Corvettes are fiberglass. But these Corvettes do rust on the undercarriage. The bird cages are known to rust right here, and they get big holes back here, and this one is clean. As you can see, we got no rot that I can see. Floors are in good shape. But look, the tires are good, so you can see it again. Go on this side. Same thing here. Solid, solid, solid. Now while I'm under here, I see a little seepage. That's to be expected for a car of this age. It's not a show car. I don't see any active oil leaking, dripping down when it was started. In the spot it was in, there was nothing there. Now, I got receipts for this. He put maybe $4,000 into the car. Yeah, redid all the brake work, did a bunch of work to it. Had about $4,000 in receipts. The car runs really good. It drives very, very well. On the inside, got a little damage there. Seat's got a little bit of wear. And then the carpet, and it needs the trim for the middle The inside I would say is more driver quality, get in and go. But I think between the outside looking very good, the inside I would say is average. I would say it's an overall solid car as a driver. 80L paint code. Showing 67,231 miles on it. I don't know if that's original. Horn works. Starts right up. Looks like gas gauge is working, voltmeter is working, oil pressure, clock does not look like it's working. We'll see if the water temperature goes up. I hear it kicking on. I just don't feel it. So AC is a no-go. I don't know what this is here. Looks like an added button for something. Turn the lights on, see if they work. Lights are working. Turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working. It's running really good. I did notice a little water right here. We did have a lot of downpouring, so the T-top is leaking. You definitely want to keep it in the garage or get the new seal for it. Again, we're honest and open. You know exactly what you get when you're dealing with Bob Evans Classics. We're not looking for quick flips. We show everything on the cars. We want you to know what you get before you get it. We do a lot of business. We ship all over the U.S. Let's go ahead and go for a test drive and see how it goes. All right, guys, we're on our test drive. We're going to start. Throw it in first gear. First gear feels good. It's got a lot of torque, a lot of power to it. I wouldn't be afraid to get down on this one. We'll see. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. This thing just flies. It drives good. Steering wheel's pretty straight. It's holding the road real good for a vet. Cruising 60 miles an hour. Steering wheel staying straight. Solid, solid, solid. Brake stop good. We'll go up here and turn around. Go. We're going to get on it. We're going to hammer it a little bit. It's the way it's supposed to be, guys. If you're interested in this Corvette, give me a call. My direct number is 215-801-9493. You won't reach a salesperson. You're going to reach me directly. I can ship the car anywhere in the U.S., get it directly to you. It'll show up at your doorstep. We do everything electronically. We'll send electronic documents over, you sign them, you send us payment, we get the car out to you. Or you can come in person, fly into Trenton Mercer Airport, right over in Jersey, across the bridge, we'll pick you up. Or you can fly into Philadelphia International, it's about an hour away, and we'll pick you up as well. This is a solid Corvette. Water temperature's up to par. Everything works the way it should except the AC. This is a nice, good, solid driver. Windshield's in great shape, dash is in good shape. I wouldn't be afraid to drive this one far, I'll be honest with you. A lot of times I recommend our clients, because they're older cars, to get them dropped off or towed. You could drive this one right out to you. I don't think this one would have a problem getting where it needs to go. Visit us on our website, guys, bobevansclassics.com. I appreciate you checking out our page. If you like classic cars, give us a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars. We will talk to you later. Give us a call today. God bless the USA. Later.